It's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about Tesla. We're going to be talking about, is Tesla stock overvalued? In the past couple of days, we've seen extreme growth out of the stock, and we're going to be looking at, is this just hype? Is this just people taking action, hopping in on a stock that's squeezing up? Or is this a fundamentally sound stock that's squeezing up because of good reason? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, trading in the markets, check out our school. We're doing a Black Friday sale for 51% off. You guys can use code Black Friday for 51% off. It's awesome. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade and invest in the market. It's not a get rich quick, it's not alerts or anything like that. We talk about how to set up scanners, how to trade. So check it out down below. You won't regret it. And guys, let's jump into this here. So Tesla, in the matter of about 5 trading days, Tesla has seen extreme growth. And what I mean by extreme is pretty extreme. The stock went from about $240 all the way up here to about $327, which is a return of about 35% in about a 5-day trading window. So there's 2 different approaches you could have when it comes with this stock. The first approach is saying, okay, buy low, sell high. Given that right now Tesla is up 35%, I'm not going to invest in it. The second mindset you could have is going to be FOMO. People that are investing into Tesla because fear of missing out. They saw a stock squeeze up 15% in a single day, so they hopped on the stock, which caused it to go up more, which then caused more retail investors to go, man, this thing's squeezing up, I gotta buy it. It's causing it to go up even more and more and more and more, and next thing you know, we're up 35% for no reason. Well, I do think a lot of the reason in general is because President-elect Donald Trump won the presidency for 2025 here. And I think that was a huge thing for Elon Musk, and this is what caused a whole bunch of investors to kind of flock to this stock. I think that is the main reason why we saw this move this much, this quick. And the thing is I'm a huge Tesla bull. I have a bunch of shares of Tesla, and I do think the explosion we've seen in buying pressure isn't something that you necessarily want to have a stock see. And the reason why is because just as fast as these stocks squeeze up this fast, we often get sell off back down. Let me show you a prime example of this. So I think we all remember like the GME, the GameStop era where the stock squeezed up, right? It went crazy. Look how fast the stock went from $15 to $64 and then back down to 17. Often when a stock squeezes up, it sells off. Any action in the market is often an overreaction, and I really think that's kind of what we're seeing here. Not saying that Tesla stock is the worst stock of all time. I just think the rate of the explosion we've seen out of the stock is necessary for a pullback. One of the indicators I use here is called the RSI, which stands for the Relative Strength Index. It pretty much tracks momentum in companies. Now, right now, the RSI is near and around a 78. The last time it was trading for a 78 was in here, where we had good sell-off. Previous to that was in a little bit in here, where we had this good sell-off. Previous of that was in here, this sell-off. So, I do think we will get some sell-off, whether it's in a day, whether it's in a week. I do think we'll see some sort of pullback. And I think that would be a really good opportunity to hop in and get some shares. And for me to really load up on share size, I personally went in, for those of you that are in the course, you guys know we have that intrinsic calculator. And this is where I would go very heavy in on a position, is near and around 226. Anything under 226 for me is an absolute for sale sign to buy. We plugged in the EPS, the expected annual growth rate for next year, and then the current yield of the AAA corporate bond, and it gives the intrinsic value of the stock of pretty much what it should be trading at $226. So for me, anything under that is an absolute bargain. It's an absolute buy. So that's the approach I have right now. I'm going to kind of pause my shares of Tesla and see if we can get a little dip down and then start picking up more. Now, not saying you can't make any money off the stock right now. I just think that we could see a little more short side potential rather than this huge stock squeezing to $500. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.